I am my mother lawyer, part 3. Your Honor, I may be just a child, but today I speak for the woman who gave up everything for me. She didn't have lawyers. She didn't have money. All she had was love. And the man who left us behind, he came back not for me, but for power. This isn't just a trial. It's a son fighting for the only parent who never gave up on him. The final argument. He said just one sentence, and the judge turned to the lawyers in shock. The courtroom was silent, not because there was nothing to say, but because David had taken the air out of everyone's lungs. He didn't stand on a box to look taller. He didn't raise his voice. But he held power, and everyone could feel it. Ms. Joy helped me understand legal jargon, David continued, flipping a page. She showed me how to file a Freedom of Information request. Dr. Michael leaned forward. Freedom of what? Freedom of information, David replied. It's how I found the original trust deed from 1998, the one that names me as the primary beneficiary. It states that any attempt to alter guardianship without just cause could trigger a full financial audit of the trustee in this case, Mr. John Peter. Gasps rippled through the courtroom. Judge Harrison turned sharply to John Peter attorneys. Were you aware of this clause? The lead counsel stuttered. We're not, Your Honor. David stepped forward, voice calm. So maybe, just maybe, this isn't about a father reclaiming his son. Maybe it's about someone trying to protect his bank account. John Peter stood up suddenly, furious. That's enough. You're just a child. Exactly, David said, turning to the judge. And I shouldn't have to fight this hard to stay with the only person who's ever fought for me, my mother. The judge looked down at his bench, thoughtful, heavy. Then he spoke. I will need time to review everything. But young man, you've given this court a lot to think about. David turned to his mom and held her hand. He wasn't just her lawyer anymore. He was her shield. David worked out, not just as his mother's lawyer, but her victory. Kindly drop a heart or a nice world for David if he's truly a hero. Like and follow the page for more interesting stories. Thank you.